20 English words you must know to sound more fluent. Have you ever learned hundreds of English words but still struggled to express yourself naturally? You know the feeling, you understand English, you know grammar, you can hold a conversation, but when it's time to speak, your brain suddenly goes blank. The problem isn't always your grammar, and it isn't always your pronunciation. Sometimes you're simply missing the right vocabulary. Today, I'm going to show you 20 powerful English words that native speakers use all the time. These are not complicated dictionary words. They are practical, they are useful, and once you start using them, your English will fluently sound more natural and fluent. Let's jump right in. Word number 1, essential. Essential means extremely important or necessary. For example, good communication skills are essential for success. Instead of saying very important, try using essential. Number 2, improve. Improve means to become better. For example, I want to improve my English speaking skills. You will hear this word everywhere. Number 3, opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to do something. For example, this job offers great opportunities for growth. Confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. For example, he sounds very confident when he speaks English. And confidence is exactly what language learners need. Word number 6, challenge. A challenge is something difficult that tests your ability. For example, learning English can be challenging, but challenge helps us grow. Word number 7, reliable. Reliable means someone or something you can trust. For example, she's a reliable friend. Word number 8, effective. Effective means producing good results. For example, this is an effective way to learn vocabulary. Notice how much stronger that sounds then. Word number 9, focus. Focus means giving your full attention to something. For example, I need to focus on my studies. Word number 10, environment. Environment means the surrounding where something happens. For example, a positive environment helps students learn better. Quick checkpoint. We're halfway through. How many of these words do you already use in your daily English? Keep watching because the next 10 words are even more useful. Word number 11, develop. Develop means to grow or improve over time. For example, it's important to develop strong communication skills. Word number 12, flexible. Flexible means able to change or adapt. For example, we need to be flexible when plans change. Word number 13, maintain. Maintain means to keep something in good condition. For example, it's important to maintain healthy habits. Word number 14, benefit. A benefit is advantage of positive result. For example, reading books has many benefits. Word number 15, practical. Practical means useful and real situation. For example, this course gives practical advice. Word number 16, significant. Significant means important or noticeable. For example, there has been significant progress. Word number 17, perspective. Perspective means a way of thinking about something. For example, travel gives you a new perspective on life. Word number 18, efficient. Efficient means doing something well without wasting time or effort. For example, this study method is very efficient. Word number 19, determine. Determine means to decide or find out. For example, your habits determine your success. Word number 20, adapt. Adapt means to change according to a new situation. For example, we must adapt to change. And honestly, this might be one of the most important words on today's list. Final challenge. Now here is your challenge. Choose 5 words from today's list. Write one original sentence for each word. Don't just memorize them, use them. Because the fastest way to remember vocabulary is by putting it into your own sentence. Remember, knowing a word is not enough. Using a word is what makes it part of your English. So there you have it. 20 English words that can instantly make your vocabulary stronger and your English sound more natural. The goal isn't to learn, thousands of words overnight. The goal is to master useful words that you will actually use in real conversation. Start with these 20, practice, and then practice them every day. And before doing, you will notice them appearing naturally in your speaking and writing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more English lessons. And tell me in the comments, which one of these 20 words are you doing to start using today? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.